Hello students. So today in this class we'll be discussing the current affairs for set B. In the previous class or in the previous video we have discussed the set A questions. So today we'll be discussing the set B questions for August 2021 current affairs. So the first question is, how many Indian players have won individual gold medal in Olympics so far? Options are 3, 2, 1, 4. So the correct answer will be option B, that is 2. Neeraj Chopra and Abhinav Bindra are the two Indian players who have won individual gold medal in Olympics so far. Next question is, which state has become the first state in the country to implement National Education Policy 2020? Options are Uttar Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Karnataka. So correct answer will be Karnataka. Karnataka became the first state in the country to implement National Education Policy 2020. NEP stands for National Education Policy. Now third question, who has been elected as the leader of a Palestinian Islamist group Hamas in August 2021? Options are Mahmoud al-Mabu, Khalid Meshal, Ismail Haniyeh or Mahmoud Abbas. So correct answer will be option C, which is Ismail Haniyeh has been elected as the leader of a Palestinian Islamist group Hamas in August 2021. Next question is, who won the gold medal in women's single badminton at Tokyo Olympics? So the woman who won the gold medal in women's single badminton at Tokyo Olympics is Chen Yu Fei. She won the gold medal. Second, the silver medal was won by Tai Zu Ying, option C, and the bronze medal was won by PV Sindhu, option B. Now moving on to the next question. Which bank has collaborated with IIT Bombay for providing credit facility to startups and MSMEs? So before moving into the answer, MSME full form is micro, small and medium enterprise. So which bank has collaborated with IIT Bombay? Options are Axis Bank, Indian Bank, Bank of Baroda, State Bank of India. So the correct answer will be option B, which is Indian Bank. So Indian Bank has collaborated with IIT Bombay for providing credit facility to startups and MSMEs. Next question is, which country has approved the sale of Harpoon Joint Common Test Sets to India? First, moving into this question and moving to the answer, what is a Harpoon? Harpoon is an anti-ship missile defense system, okay? And the cost of this project is 82 USD million dollar. So India will be buying this Harpoon Joint Common Test Sets, okay, from which country? So Germany, Russia, United States of America or Sri Lanka. So the correct answer will be option C, which is USA. So USA has approved the sale of Harpoon Joint Common Test Sets to India. Next question will be, with which organization India has signed a USD 500 million loans agreement in order to expand metro rail network in Bengaluru? Options are Asian Development Bank, World Bank, European Central Bank or the New Development Bank. So the correct answer will be Asian Development Bank. So the option A is the correct answer, Asian Development Bank. So India has signed 500 USD million loans agreement with Asian Development Bank in order to expand the metro rail network in Bengaluru. Next question is, in which place did the Indian mixed 4x400 relay team in the finals of World Athletics U20 Championships finished? Options are first, fourth, third, second. So the correct answer is option C, which is third. India won the bronze medal in U20 Nairobi Championships. Okay, that happened in Kenya. So India won the bronze medal. So they were at the third place. So correct option will be option C. Next is, which date in India is celebrated as World Sanskrit Day? Options are A 20th August, B 21st August, C 22nd August, D 23rd August. So the correct answer will be option B, option C. So the correct answer will be option C. 22nd August is celebrated as World Sanskrit Day in India. So the next question is, which city has been named, this is the last question of this set B, which city has been named as the world's safest city from among 60 global cities in Safe Cities Index 2021? Options are Tokyo, Sydney, Hong Kong, Copenhagen. So the correct answer is option D, which is Copenhagen. And Copenhagen is the capital of which country? It is the capital of Denmark. So Copenhagen has been named as the world's safest city from among 60 global cities in Safe Cities Index 2021. So hope you like this video. So I'll be meeting you in the next video where I'll be coming with the set 3. Thank you.